Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to recover deleted Instagram stories. So, without wasting time, let's start. So, first of all, open your Instagram application. After I open my Instagram app, I'll go to my story and then I will delete my story. So let me show you how you can recover your Instagram story which is recently deleted. So after deleting, I will go to my setting by going to my profile and tapping on three buttons. Then I will enter my setting. After that, I will search here for manage recently deleted. So here you will see your recently deleted story. Now the question is that how you can recover it. So tap on it, and after tapping on it, tap on three dots right here. After that you will see two options, delete and recover. Tap on recover. After that, you successfully restored your deleted Instagram story. So here we go. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.